The Davao Oriental Provincial Government has expressed its gratitude for the successful relief efforts conducted by the SMNI Foundation Incorporated for the victims of the earthquake in their province. MJ Mondehar has the details.
The Davao Oriental Provincial Government extended its heartfelt gratitude to SMNI Foundation Incorporated following the two-day relief efforts for the victims of the recent earthquake in the area. In response, SMNI Foundation Incorporated visited two villages in the municipality of Manay to distribute sacks of rice, gallons of drinking water, and buckets filled with food items. Davao Oriental Governor Nelson Dayanghirang expressed his gratitude in an interview with SMNI News.
Una sa lahat, nais kong magpasalamat kay Pastor Kibuloy sa kanyang walang sangwang pagtulong sa mga nangangailangan, hindi lang sa mga nasalanta ng kalabidad at sa kanyang mga membro. Maraming salamat po sa inyo at sana'y patuloy ang patnubay ng ating Panginoong Diyos sa inyo, Pastor Kibuloy, at sampu ng inyong mga kasamahan.
Governor Dayanghirang said the relief efforts has given great hope to his constituents, along with his call for unity among all Filipinos. Meanwhile, during one of the relief operations of SMNI Foundation Incorporated in Davao Oriental, we witnessed a grateful beneficiary, Juni Castro, who was seen walking beside his water buffalo, carrying sacks of relief goods on his way home to Purok 9 Manay. Castro shared that their home is still a long walk from the area and that he still needs to cross a creek to reach his family.
Sa pamumuli tara sabay tayo. Sa pamumuli.
Yun diya, Purok 9.
Mayo pa?
Mayo pa,
Tapos, dala-dala ni mo na yung hinabang. Isa ka, kakong tabang na sa imong haya.
Sige, tabangin mo dito, huwag mo gamha na maabot nyo ng grasya. Salamat.
Dili lang basta grasya.
Para yun.
Karga ko nimo, duha ka, pila man nimo nadawat?
Isa, akong bayaw ng isa.
Duha ka, set nga hinabang.
Baka balay.
Kana nga tabang, pila ka simana naman na makulong?
Kabulan. Upat akong bata.
For 2 consecutive days, the SMNI Foundation Incorporated tirelessly carried out relief operations across the quake-hit areas of Davao Oriental, reaching even the most remote communities. Through the generosity of its sponsors and volunteers, hundreds of families received food packs, clean drinking water, and essential supplies, bringing not just aid, but hope and comfort to those who need it most. Truly, in times of hardship, the SMNI Foundation continues to stand as a symbol of compassion and unity for the Filipino people. Reporting for Newsline World, this has been MJ Mondehar, SMNI News.